Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my Goldie box. So a couple of things. I've got some unboxings that are very far behind. This is actually the holiday box. Goldie Box is currently selling their winter box. That's what you can purchase from them. It's a seasonal subscription and there's different levels. I'm a gold bear, and it is $60. So this was a special edition box that Jess, offered, and I was excited by a couple of things, so I decided to go ahead and buy this box. So this one wasn't the full holiday box. She actually offered an opportunity to purchase half boxes. So this is a $35 value. The cost is in US, and if you live in the US, shipping is free, but in Canada, there's a cost of, I think it's $15 US for shipping. And then by the time you add exchange rate and everything, it ends up being closer to, I think, $75 for the cost of this box. But I did get 6 different things, and I would say that they were all worth the value of what it cost me in Canadian dollars. So the first thing we'll start off with, and the only thing I think is really holiday specific, is this. It is Conversation Starter Pack. So it's 141 outrageous starters for the holiday. And this arrived for me on New Year's Eve. Like, they actually delivered this New Year's Eve, and it actually worked out great. We were doing a raclette where we had all different foods out, and you grill your own food as you go through, and so you can chat and cook and eat all in the kitchen. And so I actually pulled these out, and I would ask questions to the kids. And so I would say, what is the worst holiday shopping fail that you experienced? And some of them I would alter for them, because like this says experienced in your life. Well, in their little lives, they haven't really shopped that much for the holidays. They did this year, and it was actually really sweet because they purchased gifts for each other, and they were very thoughtful, and I really loved seeing all of the things that they picked out for their siblings and the reactions that the kids had to each other's presents. I was really impressed with their generosity and their thoughtfulness. So this is one of the reasons why I chose to subscribe to this box. This is something I was excited about. And this is a different way to use this. So yes, it definitely could be used as a conversation starter, but also I was thinking that this could be used as a journaling prompt. So you could actually create a holiday journal and use these cards, create little pockets, and journal your answers. So that way you could really spend a lot of time and put a lot of thought into these prompts. So great for starting conversations, great for an activity to do with a large group of people and a large age of ranges, because, or range of ages, because the questions were really thought-provoking. I learned some interesting things about the kids that we never would have discovered if we hadn't had these conversation starters. So I was really happy with that. And this is created with love, which is cute. So I was happy to receive that. So the second thing that was a big deciding factor, maybe it was on par with the cards. These were the 2 things that I wanted the most. And the second thing was the magic erasers. I subscribe to FabFitFun. If you watch my channel, you'll have seen my unboxings. That's how I discovered Goldie Box. And one of my absolute favorite all-time products that has come from FabFitFun that I did not know about was these makeup erasers. And the colors for these are just so cute. And the fact that you get 7, so you can have a different makeup eraser every day. They're reusable, washable. They even come with a little laundry pouch, which is fantastic. You can use them, tuck them in here, keep them organized. When they're all done with your week, you can wash them all up and then start a new week again. The colors are vibrant and pretty. I've used this size before. Jess did offer this in one of her seasonal subscription boxes, and I did make that my choice, and I found the size to be great also to travel with. So if you are packing to go away for a weekend or even on a longer trip now, you would have a nice set to travel with, especially with this laundry bag. So absolutely loved that, and that was great value. One of the things that I hadn't really wanted, if I had the opportunity to choose from all of the items provided, this wouldn't have been one of the items. But if you notice on my wrist, I actually have a stack of bracelets here. And even though it wouldn't have been something I would have sought out, it's actually a lovely little addition to my bracelets. So these bracelets come from FabFitFun. No, actually, yes, this one was from FabFitFun. This one was from Ana Luisa. This one was from Goldie Box, and now I have an additional one from Goldie Box. So I love the contrast of the different metals, like with this being kind of like a brushed muted metal, and it is adjustable. My wrists are very small, so I can actually adjust that to practically just be a full circular bracelet on me. Let's see if it stays. So it still has some space. There we go. That's pretty good. And yeah, so that's a nice addition there. And then the other thing that came in this box that is somewhat Christmassy, but also even wintry, it says Winter Nutmeg. And the scent on this smells like nutmeg. I really like gourmand scents. So this is a pretty candle that I thought would go well on my 3-tiered tray. So we'll just put it on there. And then the last item I actually kind of picked for my daughter. I noticed that she enjoys these kinds of scrubs, and I thought if it got here in time for Christmas that it would be a nice little gift to add to her presents. But otherwise, I'll just let her have it or put it in the shower and let her discover it. So the ingredients are coconut oil, sugar, grapeseed oil, cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg, mint, cloves, and allspice. And it does smell really like all of those things. The peppermint is probably the most predominant smell, but like I said, I like gourmand flavors, and those two scents really appeal to me. The all-natural aspect of these. I believe this candle was from the UK, and Europe usually have a high standard of ingredients that they allow to be in products, so I thought that this would be a nice all-natural ingredient. It says this candle was handcrafted in Yorkshire using 100% natural and renewable soy wax, a cotton wick which promotes a clean burn, and our very own recipe. We lovingly craft each product, absolutely refuse to compromise on quality. We hope you enjoy your candle. Yeah, and it has a very lovely scent as well. It looks exactly like it does on, or it smells exactly like it looks, like a cup of eggnog with a cinnamon stick and a candy cane. That's what this reminds me of. So I was really glad to see the two scents in these were gourmand scents. So very pepperminty, vanilla. Those are my two favorite kinds of scents. So that is my Goldie box. If you are interested in the Goldie box, the winter box is now customizable, and I'm excited to see what I will receive in that box as my free items. So you get 7 items, and then 3 are chosen for you. And she always has some unique, interesting twists and gifts that we enjoy receiving. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.